Hello everyone, I'm back, and today I thought I would do an eyeshadow look celebrating ultraviolet, the color of the year. So let's get started. I think I'm going to start with the Wild palette, and I'm Hooded Eyes, so you know we start different, or I do, because our lids are going to transfer. So I do my lids first, and you know what, that made me saying that remembered I didn't prime. So I've done my makeup, everything but my lids. Okay, so I'm going to start with my lid first because that's just what makes me happy. And like I said, if you look at me straight on, my left eye is more hooded than my right eye. And if we do the transition color and then we do the lid, then we got the lid transition and we got the lid transferring on the transition. It gets to be a muddy mess. So I'm going to go ahead with this. It's called Uproar. It's this color right here. And I'm going to put that, I think I'm going to do that on the middle of my lid. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And you're going to, well, I can't really see in the monitor, so I'm going to have to look away. So I apologize for that. Oh yeah, that is so pigmented. I love the Wild palette. I mean, I really love the Wild palette. So my other eye. And we're going to take the other side of the brush. And we're going to go in with Havoc. Just use the other side of the brush. Another thing with older hooded eyes, you will see people telling you that are young people with hooded eyes, they'll tell you to go in with windshield wiper motions. If you got mature hooded eyes, some days you may be able to. Other days you may not be able to. I use a pink powder under my eyes to help brighten it up. Brighten up my under eye. I cannot use banana powder. That was not. I looked gaunt and sick, and I'm already so pale anyway. We're gonna go in with Strife. That's this color right here in the inner eye. And it's a bigger brush. I wish I'd have thought about that first, but it's okay. Bring it up some. You can just flick it over there into that deep purple. It'll work out in a minute. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get the blending brush. And we're going to go into this Jagged right here from the Wild palette. And we're going to go, you look straight into the mirror. You're not going to go into your crease. And look straight into the mirror. And if you can windshield wiper, you can do that. I probably can't today, even though I creamed up my eyes real good before we got started. So that went up a little too high. And you can lift your eyebrows up because you want to get down You want most of the darker shadow to go down. You want the outer portion of your eye to be brighter. And you just want to bring it down. I would like to be able to, I don't think I can windshield wiper today. Oh, no, I can. Yeah, a little bit. I'm gonna have to dot. I do this to make it. And when I get where it needs to be, I do my eye up to get it to the inside. And I know that eye's not gonna let me windshield wipe. And then you take a clean fluffy brush and you start from the purple and you just brush over the lighter over to the dark. I'm doing windshield wiper because I want them to mix all together. Come on, get over there on that. You know, tell me I ain't gonna want to do on the other side. That's just crazy. There we go. And to do it so hard on that eye, I just want to. There we go. I don't know if I don't have enough light or too much light that it's not transferring on the camera. I'm gonna close my eyes. Try something here and see if that helps. Did that help at all? Not really. There we go. You can see. And I have my highlight on. But there's one other color that's going right in the center. And it is from my Aura palette. And it is called, do I want to do ethereal? It's like a lavender. Or do I want to go all in and do Destiny? I think I want to go all in and do Destiny right here. I'm going to go do it with my finger. Oh yeah. Yes, ma'am. This is it. This is what I thought. This is what I had in mind. Yes, sir. Sir or ma'am. I don't know. What do y'all think about the nude lip? I want to wear nude. And then I put it on and go, ooh, I'm too pale for that. What do y'all think? I'm going to keep the nude lip. I'm going to see if I can get rid of that purple. Oh, look like I got bags. I finally started concealing under my eyes because since I've had so much trouble with my sinuses lately, did y'all know I haven't sniffed so much? Oh, maybe it's going away. Oh, it's bad. I'm just going to have to fix it. I'm not going to fix it right now. But no, I'm going to fix it when I get off of here. And my hair, I've had to go back in the way back time machine and find a banana clip to fix my hair. Oh my goodness, my hair won't do nothing. Oh, and a little clip back in the 90s. Look at there. Oh, that's all right. Anyway, so this is my homage to, my second homage to Ultraviolet. Pantone's color of the year. I'm grateful because guess what? It's my favorite color. Yes, ma'am. Or sir. I got a lot of men that subscribed to me recently. And they're going to teach me to go fishing. And I'm going to teach them to like their wives putting on makeup. Yeah. I got a lot of new subscribers, about 40 in the last 2 weeks, so I appreciate y'all very much. I want y'all to keep coming back. I do have a giveaway going. When I get to 500 subscribers, I've got a makeup giveaway going. So, yeah. I can't wait. I'm excited. I think that I might actually get there this year. I thought maybe there might be no hope. I thought it was a good hope, and then all of a sudden, YouTube decided to take 16 subscribers away from me. I don't know why. And so they've resubscribed, and they're still putting their comments in the spam section. I was like, these are real people. Why are you doing that? I don't know. But they haven't taken them from me anymore. So, yeah. I don't know what the deal with that is. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. And as I always say, until next time.